In this video, I will be showing you how to install Chatgpt Chrome extensions to improve outputs. Let's get started. First, I open a new tab in my browser and click on the Google search bar. I type in Chatgpt and press enter to look up the official site. From the search results, I select the main Chatgpt link. This brings me straight to the Chatgpt home interface, where I can see the layout, the left sidebar panel, and the central prompt area that says, "How can I help, sample?" Next, I navigate to the top right corner of my Chrome browser and click on the three vertical dots to open the main settings menu. I scroll down the menu items, find the extensions category, and hover over it to reveal more options. From there, I click on Visit Chrome Web Store, which instantly opens up the official web store in a brand new tab. Once the store page finishes loading, I locate the search box in the top left area that says Search Extensions and Themes. I click inside it and type out Chatgpt Search in all capital letters. As I type, a few suggestions drop down, but I hit enter to run the full search across the entire marketplace. The search results populate on screen, showing several relevant tools. I take a brief moment to scroll down the list, checking the various options like AI Chat for search and Chatgpt Google Search Assistant to see what's available. After browsing through the options, I scroll back up to the top and select the first one, which is titled Chatgpt Search. Clicking it opens up the dedicated extension details page, complete with screenshots, overview information, and user ratings. On the right side of this page, I find the bright blue button that says Add to Chrome and click it. A security pop-up window appears at the top of the screen asking for permission to install the extension. I confirm by clicking the Add Extension option within that prompt. The browser takes a brief moment to download and process the file. A notification then slides out from the top right corner confirming that Chatgpt Search has been added to Chrome. Now that it's successfully installed, I head back over to my open Chatgpt tab. To make sure everything is running properly, I click on the puzzle piece extensions icon in the top right browser bar. This opens my active extensions list, where I can see Chatgpt Search listed right there. I click on the three dots next to it to verify its site access and settings. This confirms the tool is fully integrated and ready to help improve my workflow and refine outputs. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.